Just a chance to hear your heart.
I want to share you some things. Let me pause this music. I want to share you some thoughts. How Walt Disney Channel become successful. We confess, guys, that he loved Mickey Mouse more than any woman I've ever known. What the hell, man? This is the paraphrase of his what he said. I love Mickey Mouse more than any woman I've ever known. Well, now that's the focus. You see the focus, guys, the passion. He put all eggs in one basket. You know that?
We can set the bar beyond the star.
You cannot go with two different paths when you're driving, right? When you're driving a bike, don't be like man who said that I'm just focused on something else. Don't be like that, man. Just focus on one thing. And my hair is so messy. Past few months, my routine was like there's no something new. I feel so miserable on that routine. So I changed my aspects. Like, how about try new things like this, vlogging, talking to camera with an English language. Even though I'm not good in English, but I'm still practicing it. So I know I will be get there, and hopefully reading books is helping me to hone my skills in English. So yeah, I want to focus on something that I want to be. You cannot go on your dreams without doing actions. Dreams without actions is dead. Keep grinding, keep focused. It's kinda raining here at the moment. I think you can see it because it's dark outside. So yeah, I'm done reading, and see you when I see you.